So the 48-hour Airfix challenge has started, and I'm building this. And I will be taking a series of shorts just to show you what I've been doing, what I am doing, and what I'm trying to work around. This is the first step, which is basically to get the lower hull pieces in place. So as I was mentioning in my other video, right, you have these pieces which form together and create your two piece. So you have one inner hull piece and you have the outer inner hull piece, if you know what I mean. And you're supposed to go like this. And then your suspension is visible like that. So that's a really nice detail that was captured by Airfix. You will also notice that I snipped off the mounting lugs. They're too tight to fit in here neatly. So rather than fight with that, I just snip them off and then I'll just stick them on like this. Okay. So that's one of the first little trick that I have to speed things up and avoid problems. This is what it looks like originally with a little peg. The hole is here, and that's the other piece. It goes over here. And I'm not going to try and force it in. It is a very tight fit, and I'm not going to bother trying to widen the hole or anything. Okay, so that's where it is. And after this is done, I will assemble the lower hull and paint these guys.